So today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to do a Blender animation, and this we're going to make the cube go up and then spin around and go back down. So for this animation what we'll be doing is so basically we're going first in the animation you need to drag the cube up, then drag it up and press press lock scale to set the frame. You see like down the frame counter down there, that is what, so make sure it's yellow so then you know the frame's set. But so drag it up for the next frame, press I, lock scale, and then we're going to spin it. You can spin it, rotate it, whatever way you'd like. So say for example, then we can, let's just spin it around there. So then we're going to press I, lock scale. So this is the kind of tricky bit. So you're going to have to get it back to its original shape right here. So here, you're going to have to get it back to its original shape and then pull it down. So we're just going to rotate it round once it's nice and even. So to get the lines, you'd press R, and then you press Y for the Y axis, X for the X axis, and Z for the Z axis. So that's X axis right now. And then this is the part, I've just done it wrong. So I did it wrong there, sorry. Because I wasn't on the right frame. So we're gonna just read it again. That's what, Z axis, Y axis. Z axis. So the Y axis and the Z axis depend which way you rotate it. Okay, so press I, lock scale. I'm going to drag it back down and press I to lock it. So if we play it, spins around, goes back down. So next, what we're going to do, we're going to pull this out here, and the cube obviously only looks grey, so we want to make it a better colour. So I'm going to make it kind of a maroon red. There you go, orangey red. And then, so now when we play it, it should be red. So next we want to go here. We want to make sure this. So next we're going to save the file. So saved it as a flying block, and we want to make sure it's FFmpeg video. We want it to, if it's on Mac, make sure it's on QuickTime and H.264, and make sure the audio codec is MP3. So next you want to render your animation. Just click render, or save it to Flying Block 2. So now we want to render the animation. So next, it's just going to show this. Now the things is that this is just like, this is taking scene by scene and putting it together. So then it should go down. We just have to wait for it to basically finish, and then we should be able to basically render the animation and save it. So now it's saved. Should be able to go to documents and they're in animation, and here shows here. Wait, let's make sure make it bigger, and there you have your animation fully rendered. Okay, thank you for watching.